Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of an art review slash tutorial. I am Miguel. So here I review a time-lapse video of art I've created, whether it's a portrait or a mythological creature. Here today, I will be reviewing a time-lapse of me drawing Iranian-American actress Sheila Vand. Or pronounced Vand. I don't remember which one it was, but here I will be going over the process of a pastel portrait drawing of her. The material I use for these portraits is pastel, so let's get started. And by the way, the one movie that I'm a huge fan of her taking part in is a vampire film called A Girl Walks Home Alone at Night, where she plays as a vampire. So in this depiction, you can't really tell towards the end, but she's going to be wearing a striped shirt, and that's the kind of shirt she wore in the movie. But anyway, here I immediately knew what kind of shape I'm trying to achieve because she has a very distinct head shape and facial structure. So here I immediately start doing the line work, so kind of getting a bit ahead of myself, but I do lay down the foundations of the skin tones. So here it's a bit of peach, a bit of orange, a bit of dark brown. There's more distinct shadows on the side of her face, so that creates a nice contrast so that her face pops out. But with the line work, it's a bit more easier because of how distinct her facial features are. So I go for the eyes mostly because there's a lot of detail in her eyes, a lot more shadow and highlights, and because her face has a pretty big contrast, her mouth and lips are pretty distinct, so on the sides I do create more shadows on the sides. And of course with the hair it's very distinct, and with the shirt kind of overdone it a little bit, so with all the stripes that she wears as a vampire character. So there we have it, Sheila Vand. I hope you enjoy that time lapse. Be sure to like and subscribe and share this video or any other of the videos that I've done. And I will see you on the next one.